Everyone says donkey is a problem. Donkey? A problem? Poor donkey. But I think donkeys were always innocent. Now tell me, what if you're given the role of a donkey in your next birth? Is it still a donkey problem? Or a you problem? Most of us grew up hearing take bath early or you will become a donkey in your next birth. Like, seriously? That's the official punishment? But is that just a threat or a warning? A new tale on a very unusual theme, the donkey problem, coming soon on the Talking Tales. Subscribe so you don't miss the fun. Thank you.